Hey again, everybody. Astro Excel for the week starting Sunday, May 11th through Friday the 16th. At the open tonight, we're down around the -7 level. We're drifting down through Monday up until about 2000 hours, where we bottom out at -16 and a half. We get a push up and we're hovering around the -10 line most of the day Tuesday till we push down in the afternoon again till the session close. At that point, we start making an upward move that goes all the way through Wednesday, flattens out at 1600 to 2100, and then it's down all the way into Friday where it bottoms out around 9 a.m. And then it's pretty much flat just below the -10 line for the rest of the trading day on Friday. On the important blue line trigger points, we've got this low here at 1500 on Monday. We've got a triple peak at 3 a.m., 8 a.m., and 1300 on Tuesday. Next one's going to be Wednesday. We've got the biggest spike high of the week at 8 a.m. up around the +16 level. Early in the evening, then Wednesday, we've got this 1800 bottom. And then we've got two low spikes, 6 a.m. Thursday and 11 a.m., where we're spiking below the -20 line there. And then the last important move of the week is going to be around 1400 for this spike bottom at -15 on Friday. Remember, the green line will give you some trend indication, but also depends on where it's at. Around the 0 line to inside the plus and -10 can be relatively neutral. When you get outside the 10 lines, it carries more weight, but the reversal points are always important. And of course, you always want to be looking for the directional alignment of the blue and the green line for a more accurate trend pressure reading.